Hello students, class 11. Today I am discussing a new topic to find out errors in if-else statement. In if-else statement, there are various kind of errors. So first we understand what is incorrect code, and next we understand how to correct this code. Okay, so comparatively we can see one by one. Okay students, so you can see in this example to find errors and correct the code in if-else statement. First you can see incorrect code x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 if x equal y, then colon, then print x. So here if x equal y, so one single equal sign always store a value, always assign a value, always hold a value, never compare two values. So here x equal y is a assignment statement, not a comparison statement, because when you want to compare equality you must use two times equal signs. So in if statement x equal y is a completely wrong. So what is the correct code? You can see in correct code if x equals y colon. Okay, so this thing is right. Two times equal always use to check equality between two things. So two times equal you need always. So not for comparison always two times use equal signs. This is the right way. Okay. Now second mistake you can see in incorrect code, you can see x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 if x equal y, but after there is no colon, after there is no colon, because if, else, for, while, after completing we must use colon, otherwise compiler will give error. So you can see correct code. In incorrect code you can see x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. If x equal y, then you must use colon. You must use colon. Colon is important. Okay, in if, after else, after for, after while. So print x. Okay, so must use colon after if statement. Okay, so highlighted thing is right, correction. Okay, now second mistake incorrect code is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4 if x equal greater than y. So this is a error, because in highlighted you can see if x greater than equal to y, means greater than symbol always use, then we can use equal sign. Okay, so incorrect thing is equal greater than. This is wrong thing. Right thing is we must use greater than symbol, then we can use equal to sign. This is the right way. So you can see correct is greater than equal, or incorrect is equal greater than. So we must use greater than, then we can use equal sign. So this is the right thing. Now next incorrect code is x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4 if x equal less than y. So equal less than, it is a not a right thing, it is a incorrect code. So what is the right code? You must use x less than equal, less than, then we can use equal sign. First we use less than, then we can use equal sign. So this is the right thing. This is a right thing. So correct is less than we can, then we can use equal sign. This is the correct code. Okay. So equal to less than, it is a completely incorrect thing. So it will not compare value, it will give the error. What is the right way? Always use less than, then we can use equal sign. So this is the right way. Okay, so you keep in mind what is the common mistake Okay, this type of question will ask us also in exam. Okay, incorrect code, find out the error and correct the code. This is also one type of question. Okay, students. Now next thing is x incorrect code. You can see x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. If x less than equal to y, print x, else print y. But after, in else statement there is no colon. There is no colon, but colon is compulsory. So in correct code you can see else after colon, you can see. So highlighted thing you can see, this is the correct way. Highlighted thing after else you can see the colon. So colon is important after if, after else, after for loop, after while loop, colon is important. Colon is always compulsory. So must use colon after else statement also. After if colon also important, after else also we must use colon sign. So if you don't use colon after else, so it will, compiler will give error. Okay. Now the incorrect code you can see x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4 if x less than equal to y colon, then we can, here I am using print x, but there is no gap. Okay, then else colon is missing and again print y. So print x, it is the statement under the if part, and print y, this statement under the else part. Okay, this is a body of a loop, this is a compound statement. So print x and print y, it is a part of if and else part. So it must be indent, it must be indent, it must be, we can use tab key. So you can see highlighted thing is compulsory. In starting we must use tab key. Here gap is important. Okay, otherwise it will give error. So if x less than equal to y colon, then we must use some space. Okay, at least 4 space, or we can use tab key. 4 space bar, or we can also use tab key. Okay, so print x, else after colon is important. Then because print y is a part of else, so we must use gap, then we can use number of statement. So here highlighted things show must be indent, must be gap, must be space. Okay, so you can see today I am discussing the if part, different kind of errors. Okay, so in equal, 2 times equal we must use, after if colon we must use, after else we must use. Okay, any statement under the if, any statement under the else must require some space. Okay, because it is a part of if and else part. We must use greater than equal, we must use else, we must use less than, then we can use equal sign. So this kind of thing we require when you check conditions, and this is a according to syntax we can write our Python statements. Okay students, thank you so much.